Okay, here we go. We are trading down, and we're in my area that I called for bounce. So, and it bounced right out of there, but I'm not ready to trade it quite yet. I did just see a big order come in at this 741.25. I'm looking at 1 minute bars. Oh, geez, what have I got? Coming in over here. Okay. I mean, this totally could be the bounce. Yeah, wow. Look at that, all the way into the central pivot. It looks like there's a lot of selling at 72.80. Of course, 742.80 looks like a pretty big node. This 5-minute change of character is an area that I thought was interesting. That is right up here at 743. Okay, so I guess I'm looking for a double bottom at this point. I've got that big order at 741.25. Are we going to go back down and test that? As a new element I want to add to my strategy is not just getting in right at the big order, waiting for it to get tested again. So here it comes to get tested again. Okay, it never really got tested again. There are big orders, a lot of big orders that came in at 742. I think that those are getting protected. Okay, I just saw the big order come in on the bid. So we're trying to break through this 5-minute change of character. It's yesterday's value as well. Buyers are stepping up. There's just not that much selling. Oh, there's a big sell. 742, 500,000 shares. That kind of came in late. So this candle is bigger than that candle. Okay. Here we go. How are we going to test my 741.25 buyer? Well, there was big buying at 742. So there's the question is, are they going to need to sell or are they going to buy it back up? Really big buying starting basically 741.81. It's just such a small little candle for all of that price movement. So I've got this 5-minute change of character at 846, which I feel like is a key area. And we are kissing it right now. It is trading off a bit. But yeah, this is a key area. I'm going to call this a red line. I mean, I do think that we are going to trade up to yesterday's high. Oh, there was a big seller on the bid. We're fighting that change of character, and we are in at the bottom of the value range from yesterday. Just saw another big order come through. book map. You know, it's just a really tight order book. Yeah, so this little area right here is super interesting when it came down and tested that. So VWAP is an interesting area too. We're bouncing on VWAP right now. And just bounced down VWAP again. Seems like there's lots of orders to the downside to fill. And it's kind of lighter on the top side. Very challenging the charge again. So the orders to the downside just shifted. Looks like that order right here just filled a little bit, or went market. These buyers are stepping up. We're above our 5-minute change of character. Okay, now we're down, back down below it. Yeah, the cues are showing pretty strong. About to get through this value area. SpaceX is at 216. trying to grind through this value area. So if I was looking for a rejection, I don't want to see big selling. And there's just not really that much selling. We're above the 5-minute change of character. That means everything's bullish. Oh man, waiting. So I saw that big order come in at 741.25. And then I'm like, I'm gonna wait for it to get retested. And it never got retested. Okay, it's a decent little sell candle. Nothing really elevated though. Have the zone identified as yesterday's value. So we're not quite making it through yesterday's value. I also have this zone set up as a demand zone from a few weeks ago, on June 5th. Yeah, I bet we lose value here. And then there's a new high. There's the seller. How has bookmap adjusted? Yeah, just looks bullish. Buying is stepped up. Consistently. Just grinding through a value area. Volume is kind of dying out a little bit. So I kind of expect a pullback here. For the next round of buyers to come in.